Outdoor gear, waterproof dry bag, 5 liter. I noticed that it's a fabric. You can see the woven. And then it's coated on the inside. And on the outside, say ABS PVC. 2 types of plastic. There's a welded seam where it all comes together. The bottom is welded. See a disc here, and it's heat sealed, no doubt. The top is stitched in. The directions are right on the bag, which is nice. How to use. Hold bag tightly 3 to 4 times, close and secure, buckle. All right. So say you got a, for example, abandoned ship, and you throw your checkbook in your wallet and your camera case, and you throw everything in there all at once. You gotta get out of here. And you take this and you fold it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then you draw these together and clip them like that. And you're ready. Now I took this and inflated it earlier and then pressed on it. It doesn't leak. In other words, the air, if you blow it up, or like a balloon, so to speak, and press on it, the air does not come out. It weighs 8.8 ounces, empty, about a half a pound. And so, that is what a dry bag of this type consists of. Heavily relying on ABS and PVC, heat-sealed, tarpaulin type fabric.